Hey there, fellow adventure seekers. Have you ever dreamt of setting sail on a magnificent cruise ship, surrounded by nothing but the deep blue sea? Well, hold on tight because today's video is all about the 10 important things new cruisers need to know before embarking on their exciting voyage. But before we dive into these invaluable tips, let me share a little story with you. Picture this. It was my first time boarding a cruise ship, and I felt a mix of nerves and excitement as I stepped foot on the massive vessel. As I explored the ship, it felt like a floating city, teeming with endless possibilities. However, there are a few things that I wish I had known beforehand, things that could have made my cruise experience even more incredible. Number 1. Pack smartly. Oh boy, did I learn this the hard way. Cruising can span several days, and you'll want to make sure you have everything you need without lugging around a suitcase fit for a world tour. Number 2. Arrive at the cruise port at your assigned time. To avoid those long lines and delays, make sure to arrive at the cruise port at the time you were assigned. This will help you get through the embarkation process quickly and more efficiently. Number 3. Research your shore excursions. When the ship docks at stunning destinations, you'll have the opportunity to explore. But make sure you research and book your shore excursions in advance to make the most of your time at each stop. Number 4. Pace yourself with the food. Oh boy, the food. On a cruise, there's an endless buffet of mouth-watering delights. But don't let the temptation overwhelm you. Pace yourself, my friends, as it's far too easy to go overboard with the all-you-can-eat options. Number 5. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout. Trust me, getting lost on a massive cruise ship isn't the kind of adventure you'll want to embark on. Take some time on your first day to explore the different decks and familiarize yourself with the ship's layout. Number 6. Respect the ship's rules. For safety regulations to dress codes, each cruise ship has its own set of rules that passengers must abide by, so make sure to read the fine print before setting sail. Number 7. Meet the crew. The crew members on a cruise ship are the unsung heroes of your journey. Take a moment to strike up a conversation with them and learn about their incredible stories. You never know, they might just become lifelong friends. Number 8. Embrace unplanned adventures. Sometimes the most memorable moments of a cruise happen when you least expect them. So don't be afraid to stray from your itinerary and embrace those unexpected adventures along the way. Number 9. Stay hydrated. With all the excitement and activities on board, it's easy to forget to stay hydrated. Remember to always carry a water bottle with you and sip on refreshing drinks throughout the day to keep yourself energized for all the fun. Number 10. Unplug and enjoy the journey. We live in a digital age, and while it's tempting to be glued to our screens, remember to unplug and soak in the beauty surrounding you. Allow the gentle rocking of the ship, the mesmerizing sunsets, and the sound of the waves to be your escape. And there you have it, my friends. The 10 most important things every new cruiser should know before setting sail on their dream adventure. With these tips in your back pocket, you're bound to have an unforgettable journey on high seas. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring, keep cruising, and keep making memories that will last forever.